Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I'm going to do another unboxing for you. I got 3 more boxes in the mail, and I'm really excited to show you what I got because I think I got some really interesting products. I got a lot of different products than a lot of you guys got that, you know, I watch your videos. Come on, let's be real. I watch a lot of videos, and I know I got a lot of different products than other people in these specific boxes, so I really just wanted to share with you what I got and tell you how I feel about it, because some people got better things than me, just saying. So I really wanted to talk to you guys about what I got, see what you guys got in your boxes, and let's just get on into it. So the first one that I got is my Ipsy bag. I finally got this. It has been coming so freaking late that it's not even exciting to get it because I've already seen everybody else's. So anyways, here is the bag. It's like a canvas material. It's all right. Whatever. Okay, so the first thing I got in this bag is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss, and I got the shade Evil Genius. So this is a shade that I don't particularly love. It's like a darker red berry tone shade. I'm gonna try it out because I haven't tried the formula yet, but I'm not like super excited about that one. The next thing I got is the Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter, which I know a lot of people got this, and I've heard it's quite glittery. So here it is here, and this is like the packaging that it came in. It's super reflective, so sorry about that. But I got the shade Moon Dust, and I mean, yeah, it is pretty shimmery. I don't have a palette where I can put this into yet, but wow, that was a terrible place to swatch it. Maybe, hold on, let me swatch it on the back of my hand like a normal human. It looks very, very glowy and nice. I don't know, I was gonna put some on today, but I kind of like my makeup today, so I don't want to ruin it, but that's another thing that I got that I'm not super excited about. Okay, the next thing that I got I'm actually really, really excited about. It's from Hey Honey. It says, take away the drama, youth boosting honey and copper peel off mask, and based on Alexandria Ryan, I think is her name on her videos. She actually opened this and it was actually a copper in color, so it was copper in color. So I'm really excited about that, but it does have a safety seal, so I am gonna leave it closed for right now. I don't need another peel off mask as of right now, but I'm excited to use that. The next thing I got was from MAC, and it is the False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. I'm not gonna open this yet either. I do have another one of these that I haven't tried out yet, so I'm gonna try out the older one before I try out the newer one to see if it's worth it for me to keep or if I should just give it away to a friend. The next thing I got is from Bobbi Brown, and it is a lip gloss in the shade Nude. Holy crap, did I get 6 things? I got 6 things in my bag. I don't think I was supposed to get 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I totally got 6 things. I don't think I was supposed to. Anyways, this is what the lip gloss looks like. It is in the shade Nude. Like I said, I'm actually really excited to try this. I need to look it up now because I didn't realize that I got 6 when I was looking through these. Anyways, the last thing is from Purlisse and is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm Lightweight Oil-Free Gel Cream Refreshes and Moisturize for oily combination normal and sensitive skin. I have been hearing so much about this and I cannot wait to try it. Okay, so that was it for Ipsy. I'm actually a lot more excited about that now that I got 6 products instead of 5. I don't know if that is like a thing, but anyways, here is my Sephora Play box for this month. I did kind of take a sneak peek in it and I'm not super excited. So as usual, we get the 50 points, and the bag is Back to Beauty School. I am not in school right now. You guys know that I do have a bachelor's degree, so I have been deciding to go back to school and get a master's or go into PA school or just teach. I'm not really sure what I want to do yet, so anyways. So I did not get a perfume sample, nor did I get a product from the Sephora collection, which I kind of like the Sephora collection products, but anyways, I did get a shampoo and conditioner duo, and it is from Way Hair Care. It is the shampoo and conditioner in volume. So I am excited to try that. I am running very, very low on my shampoo and conditioner packets, so that might be nice to try. Ooh, I got the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. I love Origins as a brand in like as a whole, and this is completely full. Like this sample size is literally heavy. Like this thing, they are not joking. When they give you a sample size from Origins, they give you a sample size. And I love that about the brand of Origins because you actually get to try out the product, you know? The next thing is from Living Proof, and it is the To Be Determined Multitasking Styler. Do I have this already? I am gonna go look. I think I have this already. No, okay, I don't have it. So I don't know if TBD means to be determined, but in my mind it does. I'm actually really excited to try this. It is a styling cream. I do have the Living Proof Prime Style Extender. So this is the one that I got in my box. So it's kind of the same, I'm thinking. Style extender versus the styling cream. I don't know what the difference is, but maybe I can figure it out and let you know which ones I like more, because I do like this one a lot. I just don't use it very often because I don't really need it. Anyways, I did get a sample size of the Hoola bronzer. It is one of those like little baby samples. Let me see if I can get it out of here. I don't want to rip it apart because I'm probably going to be putting this in a giveaway. That is cute how they package that. Seriously, that is super cute. Let's open it up. Yeah, so it is like a really good size of a little sample. Wow, that's a really nice size. It is 0.1 ounces or 3 grams, which is actually perfect travel size. I like this. Anyways, that I already have, so I'm not super excited about that. Then I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which is not my favorite brow gel, but it's not my least favorite. I'm not gonna open it because I do have an open one right now. So I'm not super excited about that because I already have it. And then the final thing that I got is the Makeup Forever Artist Rogue Cream in the shade C211. And it is like a dusty rose color. I really like that color. That's like a perfect me shade. It's like a light dusty rose. That is like the one thing, that and the Origins. These two things I am the most excited about in my bag or in my Sephora Play box, but a lot of other people got like the Laneige sleeping mask and the I don't know, like something else that they got that I really wanted to try, but of course I didn't get it in my box, so that's okay. I know I'm gonna get boxes that I'm not super excited about all the time, and I'm just gonna roll with it. So the very last box that I got this month was my August BoxyCharm, and you guys know that I just subscribed to this like in June, so I've only been getting this for a very short while. So let's see what I got. So the item that I picked out for this box was the Winky Lux Disco Kitten Gloss, and this is in the shade Far Out. Like, look at that. How much fun is that? I am excited to wear this just because of how sparkly it is. Let's see. And it's like a super clear gloss, so all you're gonna see are the sparkles on it. I'm so excited about this. I'm really glad I picked this out. I love things like that. So much fun. And then I got the LOC, what is this? Champagne Problems One and Done Shadow Stick. And this I actually swatched, and I wasn't gonna keep this initially, but after swatching this, this will be a perfect inner corner color, so I'm definitely going to keep this. And then I got the perfume, the Oscar de la Renta Bella Blanca Eau de Perfume. And this is what it looks like, I guess. I've never even heard of this brand. I'm not sure. It says, Dewy Fresca, Jasmine, Sambac, and Creamy Sandalwood capture the allure of the modern Oscar de la Renta woman. Inspired by the heritage of the brand, Bella Blanca is a white floral fragrance that is as timeless and feminine as its muse. I don't know. It smells okay. Not super excited about it. Then I got the Malin and Gotez Grapefruit Face Cleanser. This will be a good size to try out and see if it's any good. I have not tried anything from this brand, so I'm kind of excited, but kind of like meh. And then the last thing that I got is not in English. Okay, it is the High Performance Hair Care N4 Super Comb Prep and Protect. So maybe like a hair, it's a leave-in conditioner. Awesome. And it aids in detangling for all hair types, help provide color protection, which I don't need. It says directions: use on towel dried hair after shampoo and conditioner. Spray evenly and comb through if desired. That's how I love to use my leave-in conditioner. So now I'm a little bit more excited about trying this as this weird like teethy alligator platypus type thing. I don't know what that is. But anyways, I'm actually kind of more excited to try this now that I know it's a leave-in conditioner. I thought it was just like a style spray. So we have the full-size product values here, which some of them are not like the true value. If you guys know from BoxyCharm, they kind of up the price sometimes. But anyways, those were the 3 unboxings I wanted to do for you guys really quickly here and just kind of see what you guys got, because I know that I got a lot of different items than you guys did, which is exciting, but it's still like, man, I really wish I could have gotten some of the other items that people got. So anyways, I am so glad that you guys stuck with me through this video, and let me know if you guys still enjoy watching unboxings, because if you guys don't, then I'll just keep putting on my Instagram and seeing what you guys like there. So anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.